Joshua, myself.
Okay, you're gonna plead to distracted driving, true?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted, 155, you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
Kiara Nicole Duchesne. 25B148718. How you doing?
Good.
You all right?
Yeah.
Your name?
Kiara.
Okay. You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
To that, you gotta be careful, though, okay? Caused an accident, right? Yes? You caused an accident?
Kind of.
Well, tell me.
Um,
Listen, don't be shy. Nothing's gonna happen. Go ahead, tell me what happened.
it was a
Gotta keep your voice up, though.
red light, and then I like looked both ways, it was clear, and then I went, and then like I pulled out into like the second exit.
Keep your voice up. I can hardly hear you.
Oh, sorry.
So you were turning on a red, right? Or not?
Yeah, I think so.
And so somebody else had the right of way, right?
What?
The other car had the right of way, right? When you turn on a red, they have the right of way, right?
Yeah.
And you pulled out in front of them? Is that what caused the accident?
Like, they like ran a red light, and then.
They ran a red light?
I think so, well, I don't know, but I like turned, I'm sorry, like, I'm really nervous.
All right, listen, don't be nervous. Let's just do this. I'll just take the plea. We'll get you out of here, okay? All right, to the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? Responsible? I didn't mean to upset you. There's nothing to be upset about. Everybody makes mistakes. Nobody was hurt, right? Right? You got the car fixed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You plead responsible to this impeding? Yes? You have to answer out loud. All right. I'm sorry. I did not mean to upset you. Okay? All right. What grade are you in? Or are you done with high school?
11.
Okay. All right. I understand. You're a new driver, right? Okay. 195. You're all set. Relax. Take a deep breath. This is not the worst thing that's going to happen to you. Good luck. Brandt. Reese Timothy Allen Brandt. 25B148698. How you doing, Mr. Brandt?
Good, you?
Not too bad. You're going to plead as charged, is that right?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not, or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, folks, buckle up because today's courtroom session moves fast. We've got nervous new drivers, 3-car pileups, probation violations, and even a frustrated citizen ready to fight a fire hydrant ticket on pure principle. Judge McNally handles everything from teenage panic attacks to repeat offenders who keep pushing their luck. And trust me, the emotional swings in these next few minutes tell you everything about how unpredictable courtrooms can be. Let's get into it.
You gotta be careful, okay?
Yes, sir.
Caused a 3-car accident, looks like here.
Yes, sir.
195. You go down the hall and take care of that. Good luck. Thanks. People against Van Tress, Felicia and Van Tress. 25B146084. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Your name?
Felicia and Manchester.
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right? Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea. 170 is your total, okay?
Thank you.
Best of luck.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. All right. Can I have Alexis Sophia Peterson? 25B148716. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing? Your name?
Alexis Peterson.
All right, so you are going to plead responsible to impeding, right?
Yes.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Gotta be careful, okay? 195, original charge dismissed. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Brian Bush. Brian Keith Bush, 25T6459708 and B. Your name, good morning, your name?
Brian Bush.
You're gonna plead to impeding traffic and no proof of insurance, true?
Yes, sir.
To that charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
To no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Do you have insurance
Yes.
now? Let me see it. Please accept it to impeding, that's 195. The no proof of insurance, that's in effect now, right?
Yes. I had the one that was in effect at the time, and then we refinanced our house, and we got a good deal on a bundle, so I just bought different insurance yesterday as well, so I have both.
You didn't have car insurance though on this offense date, right?
No.
Okay. But you had it in
Yes.
effect? You have proof there that you had insurance on that date, which is July 12th?
Yes, sir.
Let me see it. John, can you just check that, make sure? So July 12th, and that was a, what kind of car?
Chevy Traverse. Yeah, he was good through October 25.
All right, I'm gonna make it $50 on the insurance, okay?
Thank you.
195 on the impeding. Okay?
Is it okay if I have a little bit of time?
How much do you have today?
I can do 50 today.
You pay that now, the no insurance. How much time do you need to pay on
I
the
could have the whole thing by next Friday.
August the 15th, okay?
Yes, sir.
If you need more time, call the court. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension, or you can come in here on or before that date. I'll give you an extension. 8:30 in the morning, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good luck. Gavin Lee Darnell, 25F244395. Could I also have Brian Wada seated up here, my right, your left? Your name, sir? You're going to plead to impeding traffic, true?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Okay. $160 is your total. Cashier end of the hall to your right.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
People against Brian Patrick Wada, 25F244498. Good morning. Your name?
Good morning. Brian Waddle.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right, 165 is your total. Cashier end of the hall to your right. You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you.
Mohammed Naeem Khan,
Yes, sir.
25F244284. Your name, sir?
Mohammed Amin Khan.
You're going to plead to impeding, responsible or not responsible to? All right, you're getting up there with these though. You got to slow down. If you see my name on the next case, don't come in and ask for impeding. I won't give it to you, okay? 185.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Horn, Nicholas J. Horn, 25T704225FY. Your name? You're charged with failure to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive on a chemical ETG on a sober link rather on July 18. That's count one. You understand the charge?
I do, Your Honor.
Count two, you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive July 18 at 7:33 in the morning. You understand that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Count three, failed to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive July 18th at 7:49. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Those are three counts, but they still arise out of the same event, transaction, or occurrence. So I'm going to go ahead and just count it as one. So in other words, the most you could get is 5 days if you plead guilty to these. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign the advice of rights?
I did.
Did you read it and understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. There will not be a hearing or a trial of any kind. You understand that?
I do, Your Honor.
You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you want a lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll enter a not guilty plea for you. We're gonna get you a lawyer. You're gonna come back in front of me here today. The only problem is you do have 3 prior technical violations, so on a 4th, your probation could be revoked and you could be incarcerated for the maximum provided by law, which in this case is 1 year on the attempt R&O and 90 days on the disorderly. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions?
No, thank you.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. I'm going to give you a lawyer. You're going to come back in front of me with that lawyer. And then we'll have your hearing, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see you back here in a few minutes. Thank you.
Instead of seeing the hallway.
And these are, again, the same charges. I just want to be clear. You have 2 counts. So both counts 1 and 2, you have these violations. And I'll see you back here. Thank you. Here you go. All right, Jody Lynn Kaminsky. 2. 5W8 Ms. Kaminsky, how are you?
I'm okay, I guess.
Your name?
Jody Lynn Kaminsky.
How'd you convince him to dismiss this?
I just told him the truth. I didn't know that you weren't supposed to record back on the highway. I really didn't.
Okay. Well, hey, maybe you should have gone to law school. You still could. Case dismissed, motion of the plaintiff.
Thank you.
Good luck, thanks.
Thank you.
People against Shafiq, Muhammad F. Shafiq, 25T645843. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Mohammed Shafiq.
You're going to plead impeding, right?
Yes,
Responsible or not responsible to that?
responsible.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed, 160. Cash your end all to your right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Tariq Zarani, 25F244313. How you doing?
Good, how are you, Your Honor?
Not too bad. Your name?
Tariq Zarani.
All right. You're going to plead impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted, 150. Cash.
There's something I want to address, Judge. I didn't realize until I pulled into the parking lot today that I left my backpack that's got my wallet and my lunch. Is it possible to do it like tomorrow morning, first hour?
Yeah, you just admitted to not having a license on your person.
I don't know, I do have.
You're fine, you're fine, you're
temporary
fine.
license that I
You're
can
fine,
go
you're
by.
fine. No problem. I'll give you till the 7th. How's that?
Yeah,
150 is your total.
Sure. Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor. Can it be paid early?
No,
The 7th,
we're gonna
right?
throw you away if you do. Yeah, of course I can.
7th, or,
You can pay today, you can pay tomorrow, you can pay Thursday.
okay. But like, what is the due date?
Thursday,
Thursday,
the
okay.
7th,
Okay, thank you, Judge.
okay?
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good day. Good luck.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Lindsay. People against Stephen Bruce Lindsay, 25F244281. Mr. Lindsay, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Your name?
Stephen Lindsay.
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accept the original charges dismissed, 150. Cash your end of the hall to your right. You're all set. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Amaya Danielle Saad, 25F244280. We getting backed up down there, Lisa?
No, she's doing good.
What's that?
No, she's doing good.
Okay. Your name?
Maya Swan.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes,
Responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
Please accept the original charge dismissed, 165. Good luck. Can't wait to get out of here, can you? Have a good day. All right, Faizan Chowdhury. Faizan Zulfikar Chowdhury. 25B148998. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna have a hearing on this?
I guess so. I didn't know that was gonna happen.
You parked it next to a fire hydrant, it says.
I've been parking there for 25 years.
It doesn't matter, was
No,
the,
it wasn't. I know my distance. I have it marked.
that's no problem. You wanna have a hearing, I'll just,
When I-
hang on. I can't hear the case without him being here, so I'll set it for an informal if that's what you want me to do. That's what you want me to do?
That's what it is. It's
Okay.
inefficient. It's just a principle thing at this
That's
point,
all right.
You know?
That's okay. That's what,
Unfortunately, we're being harassed in that subdivision.
that's why we're here. You can have the hearing, no problem.
I knew if that was the first step I needed to do, I would have done that. They just didn't have that option. I come in with another, so it's like taking more time off of work or something. And I talked to this officer, I know you can't hear it, but I understand. But this is very frustrating.
It says you parked in the fire lane next to
I'm
the
not in
fire.
lane. And fire lane's on the other side when I'm.
Okay, I'm not
I have
arguing.
pictures.
I'm not
I
arguing.
understand you can't listen to it, but I'm not in the fire lane.
I'm not arguing with you. I don't have a problem. We'll set,
I talked to the officer when he came back later and he.
Lisa, give me a date on this, okay?
August 14th at 9:30.
You're gonna come back next week, August 14th at 9:30, okay?
Can I get another date? I have an appointment at that date, August 14th.
What time's your appointment?
It's in the morning. I have a closing in the house.
What time's your closing?
It starts at 8 AM. I'm not gonna be back here in this area by 9:30.
What time can you be back here?
Sure. Probably by the afternoon. I'm going all the way to Farmington. And it's gonna take me a few hours.
Okay? Can we do the 15th, Lisa?
It's a Friday.
Can we do the 13th?
Yes.
August 13th at 9:30. So we'll
The
notify,
doctor's appointment for the children.
what's that?
I take the kids to go to the doctor's.
What time?
13th.
What time?
It's at 9:30.
Where's it at?
Dearborn. I can be back by 11 from that.
You want,
She's getting a bracelet off, so.
Lisa, can we do the 12th?
It's your civil day.
That's okay. We'll do August the 12th at 9:30, but send that over to Brownstown by email or whatever, August the 12th at 9:30, okay? So we'll see you in a week. You can go right down the hall, sir, go right down the hall and they'll give you a paper notice, okay?
Okay.
A wise Chuhadri Akram. 25B148974. Your name?
Police Akram?
You're gonna plead as charged to 5 over, right?
Yes.
That charge responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accept it, 135, cashier into the hall. Good luck.
Thanks so much.
Forrest Michael Perez, 25B148508.
Where are you?
Good morning, your name?
Forrest Perez.
Okay, you're going to have a hearing on this, right?
Please.
You want to do the 14th on this one, Lisa, or?
Yes, 9:30.
So we'll do an informal hearing, that's what you want, right?
Yeah.
August the 14th at 9:30,
Fantastic.
okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. Matthew James Cho Kazmarek, 25I414924. Your name? You're charged with failure to provide proof of completing 1 day of community service by June 20. You have no technical violations thus far. This is not even a probationary case, but I'll still adhere to that rule. You could get 5 days if you plead guilty, if you're found guilty. Do you understand that?
Thank you.
Did you sign an advice of rights?
Yes, I did.
Did you read it and understand it?
I did.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
I do.
You have the right to a lawyer. I'll give you one at public expense if you want one. Would you like one?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea. Go talk to a lawyer. Come back in front of me. It might take a while, but you come back in front of me.
Let's see. Oh,
He'll set you up with a lawyer out there. Holly Lynn Jacobs, 25F244424. And could I have Kyla Davis seated at the table, my right, your left over here, okay? Your name, ma'am?
Holly Jacobs.
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yeah.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Please accepted, 150.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Sit down here.
Well, you're gonna come up here now. Kyla Madison Davis. 25F244425. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Your name?
Kayla Davis.
You're gonna plead to impeding?
Yeah.
Responsible or not responsible to that? All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. What happened here? How old are you, 17, 18?
18.
Did you graduate? Next year.
No, I graduated.
Okay, good. What are you doing now?
I'm moving to Tennessee.
Really?
I'm gonna go to community college, become a stenographer.
To be a stenographer?
Stenography, like ultrasound.
Oh, I see. Well, great. Whereabouts in Tennessee?
It's like 20 minutes from Nashville.
Nice. Well, 160 is 215 and 165. It looks like you owe 380.
Okay, can you drop it a little bit? I'll probably pay.
Now, this is where the tone of the courtroom shifts dramatically. Unlike the traffic cases we've seen so far, Nicholas Horn's case involves multiple alcohol violations, 3 in a single morning. The judge explains that although they're counted as separate offenses, they stem from one event. Still, with 3 prior technical violations, Nicholas is standing inches away from losing probation entirely. This is a crucial legal moment. Probation is a privilege, not a guarantee, and repeated violations stack the risk quickly. What do you think? Should a 4th violation automatically trigger jail time, or should probationers get more chances? Drop your thoughts below.
Today.
Yeah, I'll do that for you, Mr. Ball.
Okay,
Are you doing all right?
well, not really. You got a job for me? I'll be all right. About $40 an hour. That's straight time.
$40 an hour. I'm not sure I make that.
I've been looking for 16 months, man. These guys just want to bring me in and have me fix their stuff for them and then, hey, fire me and shit. Or lay me up. They do me any good.
All right, here's
After
what
I fix it for them. That's 3 pieces of equipment that they could get running or there's such mechanics they ain't.
you have 215 you owe on one. I'll tell you what, if
Who's that? Let me shut up. Sorry.
Make sure everybody's phones are off. Mr. Ball.
you owe 215 on one, Mr. Ball, I'll make that 170. I'll waive the balance, okay? I'll do that for you.
170 total?
Well, I can't do that. You
Oh,
you
okay.
owe you owe
What
380.
was it, man? Come on. Have a heart, man. Come on, you know me a little bit. For the last 30 years I've been here. Remember Superior Judge?
What's that?
I said, you're the Superior Judge, remember?
What's the superior
You
judge?
told me that when I first met you.
I
You're
never
the one that's longest on the bench here.
I never said that.
That's what I thought you said.
Well,
I know
now
you've been here
have.
longer than Miss Hessen and that other guy over there that's retired. I've seen you for 20-something years, you know? If I had money, I would have Mr. Ed Zelnick in here with you, prosecuting attorney. But you know him, right? And his brother Dave, the judge.
Mr. Ball's been here longer than you almost.
I can tell you about how long you've been here. Almost. But anyway, all right, Mr. McNally, so how much is that gonna be total for both of them?
You don't have any money, do you?
No, I don't, I had 16 months I've been looking for a job, I had a couple jobs, and then they ended, you know, so. And I
I'll
ain't
tell-
getting no unemployment, and I ain't getting nothing from food stamps or nothing either, they ain't giving me nothing.
I'll tell you what, okay, listen, I'm gonna do the best I can for you. If you need time to pay, I can do that. You pay 160 on the B file, and on the other file, I'll reduce from 165 to 110. I'll do that for you.
Okay?
So your total's 270. Can you pay that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try and pay it by the end of today.
Balance waived, and you can pay by today?
Yeah,
Good enough, Mr. Ball. I'll do that for you.
okay.
You're staying out of trouble, kind of, right?
Hey, I've been doing that, this is the only trouble I've been in, man.
All right, so you come back here with 270 and we'll be done. The balances are waived. I'm being too nice again.
Oh, come on, yeah, you know, you don't wanna be mean, cause I have to be mean too. But, way to go there. right?
Have a good day. Good
All
luck.
right, you too, buddy.
Thanks.
man.
Buddy, huh?
Yeah. Funny old pal, I'm a friend of mine, man.
Take care.
All right, you too.
Peterson. Cameron David Peterson. Never a dull moment in this job. Never a dull moment. Cameron David Peterson here. 25T645907. Oh, he's not here. That's why he's not coming up here. Default judgment entered in favor of the plaintiff and against the defendant, Kozlowski, Jared Richard Kozlowski, 25F244430. I know. It is funny. How you doing, Mr. Kozlowski?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Your name?
Jared Richard Kozlowski.
You're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes,
Responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
The original charge is dismissed, please accepted 175, okay? Yes, you're into the hall. You right, good luck, thanks.
Thank you.
Mario Tehran Hatch, 25B148848.
Today's session had a little bit of everything, from nervous teen drivers learning hard lessons, to citizens challenging tickets on principle, to defendants walking a tightrope on probation. Judge McNally remained consistent, firm when necessary, patient when appropriate, and always focused on moving the courtroom forward efficiently. Whether it was reducing fines for honest mistakes or warning repeat offenders of the real consequences coming their way, every ruling reflected a balance between accountability and fairness. If you found this courtroom breakdown as eye-opening, as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more intense, real-life courtroom drama and expert commentary. You don't want to miss what's coming next.